So remember that for an algebraic expression, any power can be there for the variable, like rational number or negative and all. But for a polynomial, the exponents of the variable should be exactly whole number. Hope it is clear. So terms can be variable or a constant or a product of constant and variable, right? Now let us classify polynomial based on 3 parameters. So types of polynomial is classified into 3 parameters. So based on the number of distant variables and based on degree and based on number of terms. Okay. Now coming to the based on the number of distinct variables polynomials which are classified as number of distant variables you can observe in the screen 1, 2 and 3. That is univariate, bivariate and trivariate. That means in univariate only one variable is present. In bivariate 2 variables are present. In trivariate 3 variables are present. For example, you can see x plus 9. There is only one variable, right? And x plus y plus 9. There is 2 variables. And x plus y plus z plus 9. There are, yes, 3 variables. So this is known as trivariate. This is, yes, bivariate. And this is univariate. Now, a second major way of classifying polynomials is by their degree, right? So, degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable in a polynomial. So, recall that the degree of a term is the sum of the exponents on variables, right? So, for polynomial, we can write P of x equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 and so on. We will get plus a1 x1 plus a naught degree is n. Okay. So for example, you can see the column and rows which is displaying on the screen. So first in degree we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and names we have constant, linear, quadratic and cubic. And we have few examples.